When it comes to enhancing the appearance and value of your home, few improvements make as significant an impact as replacement windows. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to boost its charm, investing in new windows can drastically improve your home's curb appeal. For homeowners in Ferndale, Michigan, where classic homes and modern aesthetics blend, the right windows can transform a property's exterior, make it more energy efficient, and increase its marketability. The visual impact of replacement windows. First and foremost, replacement windows can instantly elevate the look of your home. In Ferndale, where homes often feature historic architectural styles like bungalows, Tudors, and mid-century modern homes, choosing windows that complement the existing design is key. Replacement windows come in a variety of styles, including double-hung, casement, bay, and picture windows, which means you can find an option that suits the character of your home. For example, if you have a vintage-style home, you can opt for windows that mirror the original design while offering modern performance features. If your house leans more towards contemporary aesthetics, sleek, large windows can give it a fresh, modern look. With a wide array of materials such as vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and aluminum, homeowners in Ferndale can select the perfect finish that enhances their home's exterior, from elegant traditional wood frames to more modern, low-maintenance vinyl frames. Color and design flexibility. One of the major advantages of replacement windows is the flexibility they offer in terms of color and design. Homeowners can opt for custom-colored windows that align with their existing exterior paint or new color schemes. A well-chosen color palette can make your home stand out in Ferndale's eclectic neighborhoods, where homes of different eras and styles are common. Whether you choose neutral tones for a sophisticated look or vibrant colors to make a statement, the right windows can bring the entire exterior of your home together. Additionally, window grilles and decorative glass can add subtle touches of elegance or create a more intricate, personalized design. These small details not only help the windows blend seamlessly with your home's aesthetic but can also be a talking point for visitors or potential buyers. Increased natural light and improved view. Another less obvious but significant benefit of replacement windows is the increase in natural light and improved views. Older windows often suffer from wear and tear, causing them to become cloudy, cracked, or inefficient. This can result in a darker, less inviting living space. Newer windows, however, feature larger glass panes with improved clarity, allowing more natural light to pour into your home. The additional light can make the interior of your home appear larger, more open, and more welcoming, which enhances the overall ambiance of your property. Additionally, larger windows or strategically placed picture windows can frame beautiful views of the Ferndale surroundings, showcasing the charm of your garden, your front yard, or your neighborhood. Whether you're overlooking a tree-lined street or your own lush landscaping, windows can provide a picture-perfect view that enhances both the interior and exterior of your home. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, replacement windows provide a number of practical benefits that can improve your home's overall functionality, particularly in terms of energy efficiency. Ferndale experiences a range of temperatures, from hot, humid summers to chilly winters. Older windows with single glazing and poor insulation can result in heat loss during the winter and heat gain during the summer. This can cause your heating and cooling systems to work overtime, leading to higher energy bills and an uncomfortable indoor climate. Replacement windows are designed with energy efficiency in mind. Many feature double or triple glazing, low emissivity coatings, and insulated frames that help regulate indoor temperatures. This means your home stays warmer in winter and cooler in summer, reducing your reliance on air conditioning and heating systems. Not only does this make your home more comfortable, but it also lowers your utility bills and reduces your carbon footprint. Return on investment. Finally, replacing windows can increase your home's resale value, which is particularly important for homeowners in Ferndale who may be looking to sell in the future. Curb appeal plays a critical role in attracting potential buyers, and homes with modern, well-maintained windows are more appealing. According to real estate experts, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their investment in replacement windows when selling their home. In addition, the energy efficiency and updated aesthetic of your windows may make your home more desirable to buyers, providing a competitive edge in the market. Conclusion. In Ferndale, where a mix of historic charm and modern flair defines many neighborhoods, replacement windows are a simple yet impactful way to improve curb appeal. By enhancing the visual appeal of your home, increasing natural light, providing energy efficiency, and boosting its market value, new windows can offer substantial benefits. Whether you're looking to sell or simply enhance the beauty and comfort of your living space, replacement windows are an investment that pays off in both the short and long term.